What up, people of YouTube? So, you might think it's all fun and games restoring motorcycles. Well, I'll tell you, it's pretty damn tedious sometimes. I have been rubbing these things for the last 2 days. That's when I'm not dipping me nuts in acid. Har har. And I'll just let you sit through this so you can enjoy just how tedious it is. Now, I can imagine you're sat there right now thinking, yeah, okay, where's the excitement? Well, that's just it. There isn't any. This is just mind-numbingly tedious. And although you may already have switched off, if you're still viewing, you can imagine this is spoke number whatever. There's 72 of these bastards. Actually, I lied. I get accused of lying on the internet, so I better come clean. There's only 71 of these bastards. I snapped one. So, what's happened to my bubbly water? All the rust has killed the bubbles now. And of course, in this wonderful country, we can't get any zinc plating chemicals, even though there are zinc plating factories, but they don't deal with the little people. So I'm going to have to find another way of reprotecting this lot before I put them back on the bike. And if you are still watching, don't forget, this is only one spoke. I've had to do a bloody bucket full.